Hello friends, we will be cooking fish with tofu and salted black beans. We welcome you all to our channel. Hope you like this video and come back for more. Let's start cooking. These are our ingredients friends. We have our fish, snapper, we have our tofu, oil, red pepper, onion, tomatoes, garlic, and our salted black beans. You can see also these ingredients at our description box. Let's salt it a little. Flour. Just a little. Let us fry our fish. It's already hot, so one at a time. Let's flip it. The only reason we flour our fish is to lessen this process. We do not want to get burned. Matapato tayo. Oh, it's ready. Let's take our fish out. And the second one. The second piece is ready. Let's take it out. Let's remove some oil. Leaving like 2 tablespoons. Then our garlic. Onion. Tomato. This is our black beans. We only need 1 tablespoon, okay? Yeah. This is salty, so let's wash out the salt with hot water and drain it. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Let's add our salted black beans. Remember, we didn't add salt or fish sauce. This is it. Let's add half cup of water. And let it boil. Let's cut our tofu. We can now add our fish. Pepper. Our tofu. And cover it to cook for a few more minutes. Let's see now. We need to taste it. We need more salt. Instead of salt, let's add soy sauce. Maybe 1 tablespoon. Yeah. Let's add our spring onion. Okay. Our fish is ready to be served. Thank you for watching, friends. See you on our next video.